Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Dr. Abdul Basit Malik. In continuation with my previous topics of alternative medicine, I am today going with the next of the subjects, that is Ayurvedic medicine, which is mostly practiced in India, or similarly it is called Unani medicine or herbal medicine, and is practiced in Pakistan and Arabic world, and mostly philosophically they are similar. How they understand the human body, it is extremely similar. At certain level there are some differences. For instance, Ayurvedic medicine, because they are influenced by vegetarian diet and strictly avoiding non-veg, so their focus is mostly on anything coming out of the planet, out of the earth, growing through it, and they consider it as something alive. Plants, they say they are alive, and for the animals they think they are dead. So a killed animal meat, they consider that you are eating something dead. And in Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Arabic world, this medicine, because they eat meat and they eat all non-veg things, so while practicing they prefer to include many animal body parts or animal substances, milk, thistle, or sometimes real animal snakes, even some reptiles in their medicine, and they consider it more valuable and more effective. But the basic philosophy of both is same, and this philosophy is that human body is a composition of three different characteristics. In Ayurvedic, one is called Vata, which represents or which is translated as air, and in the Unani medicine it is considered as, or it is called as Soda, something black. But again, both believe it is a sort of air, a sort of movement, a sort of energy which is rapidly moving in the body, invisible, but it is there. Similarly, it is associated with respiratory system, with the elimination process, and it is considered in both of the systems that certain foods, they produce vata in the body, or they increase the amount of vata in the body, and vata is considered to make different organs. So according to the Unani system of medicine, or the system of medicine which was practiced in Central Asia and Arabic world and Pakistan, vata or soda, they are something which are transformed into cardiovascular and muscular system. The next thing they believe is called Kafa. Kafa is something alkaline, something watery, something fluid, something liquid, and in Ayurvedic they call it Kafa, but in herbal medicine system they call it balgam, or they call it, you can say, fluid in one way or the other. And it is believed that with the presence and production of this material, brain and nervous system, they are not only regulated, but they are healed, they are regenerated, they are formed with this thing while it was during into the embryonic life, or when human body was being formed in the womb of the mother. The third thing is called pita. Pita is fire, heat, hot, energy, chemical and biochemical reactions going on into the body, um, is related with the, I will say, digestion, metabolism at different levels, digestion at the digestive system level, regulated with liver and gallbladder, and also metabolism at cellular level, regulated by different chemicals, substances, enzymes, hormones. So they all are due to the presence of pita. So Kafa, pita, and vata are soda, sufra, balgham, whatever you call them. They are three factors philosophically, are forces, are substances present in the human body. In every human, they are there. And there is a balance of these which makes a human personality. But all humans, they are not equal, they are not similar. So there is a predominance of one of these in many ways, and it represents in different ways. So for instance, let's say if vata or soda is more, the personality by its appearance will be a muscular person with a dark skin, with more muscles, more power, more energy, less fat, and he will be least obese. So, but at the same time, he has kapha, at the same time, he has pita. But generally speaking, the foods he eats predominantly they make them muscular. Similarly, a person who has predominantly kapha or balgham, he is predominantly in his appearance white or fair color, straight hair, less hair, his body is not hairy, and he is very much prone to seasonal changes or atmospheric changes or the temperature changes. He gets flu and flu kind of diseases, sicknesses, allergies, and upper respiratory issues and problems, and he is very sensitive to this. And then if he's eating the foods and diets which have this kapha or balgam, he will become obese and obese and obese, put weight on, and ultimately these are the people who are subjected to diabetes. People with the vata kind of structure, they are least subjects to diabetes type 2 or to obesity or to overweight issues and problems. And then comes pita, fire. It is called sufra in the other system. So coming from the yellow color of the fire, so their fluids will be yellow. When they pee, it will be deep yellow, dark yellow, or orange, and they will never be bigger, they will never be heavy, they will never be muscular. They will be slim to medium body structure, but at the same time, these people will be very active, very smart, and they will be very fast in their movement. They will be quick in making the decisions and actions, and also they will be very aggressive. They will not be as powerful as the people having the vata, but they will not be as cold as the people being Kafa. So these are the main characteristics of human personalities. Now you should consider yourself where you are, or what kind of the sufferings or problems you are having. If you are having more fat, more weight, you are having more, or you are having type 2 diabetes mellitus, rest assured you are a person with a lot of kapha into you. There is a lot of fluid and water in you, and you need to avoid those foods which can produce water or fluids in your body. They are mostly the dairy foods, they are mostly sugars, sweets. They are never your foods. Rather salty and sour and pungent or uh, chili like foods, they are your foods. They will give you warmth, they will evaporate kapha in you, and they will be helpful. Similarly, if you are a person predominantly with pita, you will be suffering from jaundices, you will be suffering from tuberculosis, or you will be suffering from the things which are produced due to more heat. You will be having some episodes of blood coming into your fluids or into your out of your system in one way or the other, and you will be irritable, you will be aggressive, you will have issues of anger, and you will have issues of mood disturbance, anger. So you are a pita person, and hot things, hot foods, they will be giving you more troubles, more problems. Meats will give you problem. You should keep the meats very low. Similarly, if you are vata or soda, you are energetic, powerful, but excessive meats, excessive dryness in your body will cause you hemorrhoids, will cause you fluids coming out of other things, will lead towards renal failure, will lead towards hypertension kind of things. So while coming to a physician of Ayurvedic or herbal medicine, they will come to know which one you belong to actually, or your miasm is, or your body is actually, and what is increased or decreased in your body at the moment, and then the food can be subscribed. This is a sort of general introduction of this herbal way of healing. We will discuss further each and every one of these things, and we will continue. Thank you very much for watching.